the way you live, what you eat and drink, and how you take care of your body all affect your memory as well as your physical health and well-being. Here are 5 daily things you can do to keep your mind and body in good shape. 1. Manage your stress. Daily stresses, like having to meet a deadline or getting into a fight with someone over something small, can be a constant drumbeat that can distract you and make it hard to concentrate and remember. But a constant feeling of extreme anxiety is a bigger problem because it can make it hard to remember things. If you don't already have a plan for dealing with stress, one reason to get one is to protect your memory. Helpful things include deep breathing, meditation, yoga, and a mindful way of living. 2. Get a good night's sleep. People who don't sleep well at night are more likely to forget things than those who do. For memories to stick, you need a good night's sleep. Most people who don't get enough sleep have insomnia, which means they have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. Unfortunately, a lot of the medicines used to treat insomnia can also hurt your memory and the way your brain works in general. That's why it's best to try to change your sleeping habits first and only take medicine if that doesn't help. If you do need sleep aids, use the smallest amount for the shortest amount of time needed to get back to sleep. 3. If you smoke, quit. It's easier to say than to do, but if you need more motivation, know that smokers have more memory loss and other memory problems as they age than people who don't smoke. People who smoke more than 2 packs of cigarettes a day at the middle of their lives are more than twice as likely to get dementia as people who don't smoke. But people who quit smoking by midlife or smoke less than half a pack a day have the same chance of getting dementia as people who have never smoked. 4. If you drink alcohol, do so moderately. Memory loss and dementia are more likely to happen if you drink too much alcohol. People who drink too much have trouble with short-term memory tasks like remembering lists. Another type of memory loss associated with alcohol use is called Korsakoff syndrome. In this case, a long-term lack of vitamin B1 and the toxic effects of alcohol on the brain can cause sudden and severe forgetfulness. In some cases, this memory loss is permanent, but if caught early, can be reversed to some degree. 5. Protect your brain from injury. Head injuries are one of the main reasons people lose their memories and raise the risk of getting dementia. Always wear the right gear for high-speed activities. In sports with contact, wear seat belts when riding in motor vehicles. By far, the most common way people get brain injuries is in car accidents, and wearing a seat belt greatly reduces the chances of getting a serious head injury. Wear a helmet when you ski, inline skate, ride a bike, or ride a motorcycle. If you like this video, please click like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video from our channel.